Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake game. Not launching, crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or several other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen, click on PlayStation button, then select power button and then select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first, hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Once done, launch the game and check. Next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings first, then go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar. Now select current language. Now change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, so go to settings on your PS5 first, click on network. Click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to check for game updates. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts. Now move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake game and click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next method is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5 menu. Now select save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select the game and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to check storage space on console. For that, first go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to the PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5. Next, choose console storage and then tap on delete option. Next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available. Finally, choose method is to restart your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5, then move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default setting. At last, choose restore option. Next is to reinstall Fatal Frame 2 Crimson Butterfly Remake game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install the game once again and then check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link I have already given in the description. Just go through it, explain the issue, and hopefully the support team will try to resolve it and you can play the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.